Hey Bryce, my name's Corey. Vicky told me to send over the screencast to you. Real quick, I'm just going to shoot over 3 free tips. That way, you can actually start out ranking your competition online, and really start bringing in that quality traffic that you're striving to get. I got your website pulled up here. A few things I'm going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. So the first thing I actually want to go over, I would do some sort of this contact us. I would blow this up, do like a percentage off, money off, even free estimate. Just help them navigate on where to go. And also, Google likes to see web pages around 1,500 to 2,000 words. Just being really authoric in what you do and how you do it. Usually, the person with the most content at the end of the day usually wins. And plus, you need enough content in there so that way you can layer those keywords on what you're actually trying to be found for. Even these images, what they're saved as, it all matters. Instead of having download one back there, you can actually switch that to keywords. That'll just make a big difference in your rankings. If I just go inside of Google here, type in HVAC Salt Lake City, this is what you're going to pop up. You got these Google guarantees here, which is brand new to Google. The old school traditional ads, which a lot of people have been going away with these ads because of all those spammy phone calls coming from it. So Google came up with these Google guarantees to help weave out some of these spammy phone calls. Underneath this ad section, you have this little map pack. Really, to get in this map section is going to deal with what's called a citation. What a citation is just an online business directory with your business name, address, and phone number listed on it. So what we'd want to do is go get those same citations that your competition has. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well, so that way we're always outranking the competition. Underneath this map section is really going to deal with all the organic rankings. That really comes down to, that authoric content that's on your website. Also having a high quality backlink as well. If I just go inside of your website and take your URL, stick it inside of Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a tool that lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. Looks like you got 4 referring domains, which is kicking back 8 backlinks from that. You got 53 keywords that you're being found for, and in total you get about 16 clicks to your site. You can actually see where these 16 clicks are coming from. Excuse me. We got Comfort Systems Utah. There's HVAC Automation Systems, HVAC SLC. So HVAC SLC is actually a keyword, a by intent keyword. 40 clicks a month. You're 52nd position, so you're missing all the traffic there. HVAC Contractor, Salt Lake City, Utah. 60 clicks a month. You're 56th position, missing all the traffic. HVAC Salt Lake City, Utah. 60 clicks. Anyway, let me show you one of your competitors here, what they're doing. This is Lee's Heating and Air. Take their URL, stick it inside of Ahrefs. They got 176 referring domains, almost 20,000 backlinks, 925 keywords, which is they're being found. They're getting about 469 clicks on average every month to their site. So to figure out where these 469 clicks are coming from, we go inside those keywords. This is what people are actually searching for. So this actually tells you the position, how much traffic, and the volume from each keyword. So HVAC Contractor, Salt Lake City, Utah, there's 60 clicks. They're getting a decent amount of traffic, being the second position. AC Repair Salt Lake City, another 100 clicks. There's third position, so they're getting a decent amount of traffic again. HVAC Air Conditioning Utah, HVAC Contractor Salt Lake City, AC Repair Utah, HVAC Salt Lake City Utah. There's another keyword, 60 clicks a month. So yeah, really you could go through there and cherry pick these keywords, the buying intent keywords like HVAC Salt Lake City Utah. Really being ranked for those keywords, having a high authoritative backlinks will just do a number for your business. Anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over, would love a free custom attack plan on how to get there. I'd love to put that together for you, or at least apply these 3 free tips for yourself. Thanks so much.